Deb, and I am here today to show you how to make a quick and easy card. And I know if you're like me, I have a ton of designer series paper. I think I have I have 15 boxes of the 12 by 12s by 4 inches filled with designer series paper. And I would love to be able to use some of that up. And this is such a quick and easy and cute card. And so this designer series paper that I am using is from the January through June catalog. And it's called Fine Art Floral. And it's on page 32 of the new catalog. And so it is this paper, but I have done it with several other styles. I am going to show you. It's quick and easy. This is the card. I've made several of them. So this one is made out of Flowers and Field, and it is one of the free celebration papers for this year. And it just, you can see it made up a really cute card. Open it up and a greeting, and I have some glue in there I need to clean off. And this one was also made out of the Flowers and Field. And I am going to make this one next. So I'm going to start with a 12-inch by 5.5 inch sheet of designer series paper. And then I am going to score it at 4 1/8. Yeah, 4 1/8. Let's get my scoring tool up here. And it's the second little tick mark there. 4 1/8 by 8 1/4. And the next one is 8 1/4. Now, if you have a pattern, you want to make sure that your pattern is upside down when you're doing the scoring. Okay, I don't know why, but that's the way it works. And then this one is 8 1/4. And I'll tell you what, this becomes the front of your card. So let's go ahead and fold that. I didn't press down enough. Barely got a score line there. So let's go 8 1/4. Let's do it again. I was afraid of cutting through my paper, so I didn't press hard. So I can feel that now. So this is my front. And then this is my back. Get rid of that. And I'm just going to line that up really straight and press it down. And I'm going to take my bone folder and burnish that. Maybe I am, if I can find it. Here it is. Okay, just burnish that. Okay, so you guys, this is so simple. Now I'm going to take this, which was cut at 3 by 5 1/2, because I want it to be as long as my paper is. And I'm just going to put some adhesive on here. And I cut 2 strips. Clean that off, of, I want to say Midnight Muse, and I know that's not what this is. How about Pretty Peacock? And I cut 2 strips of that because that is one of the colors in here. You could pick any color that's in your paper. And I'm just going to adhere those to the back. And you can see they're not even the same size. It doesn't really matter. But I am going to leave them a little extra long. They were a strip that was cut off from something else. And then that way I can cut them and I know that they're the right size. I'm just going to trim those off. And this is going to get adhered to the inside of my card. And it's just going to go right in here. I'm going to center it. So my fold line is here. Let's fold it differently so that I can tell where I'm going. And just put equal on each side. Okay. So that's where I would put a greeting that I wanted to, or a place where I wanted to sign it. And then on the front, I am going to attach, I cut a, using the Stitch So Sweetly dies, I cut out a label, and I cut out a second one using the same set. I'm going to stamp this with a greeting from Happy Thoughts, one of my favorite new sets. And I think I will do it with the thank you, although I could do happy birthday on this one. But I think we'll get a thank you, a thinking of you, I'm sorry, not thank you. Okay. And just going to attach that like so. And then I'm going to attach those with that with dimensionals. I'm not sure what I want to do for my bling on this one. So I will go ahead and put this on. I almost should have gone with a jade here, I'm thinking. But we're just going to put it, oops, with dimensionals. We're not doing it with dimensionals now. We're going to glue that right onto there. And we don't have a ribbon. So let's see. What can I finish this off with? How about, I am going to glue this down just like that because it makes my card stronger. And I like it being a little stronger. But there is the mechanics of the card. And so I will finish this off and add a little bit of bling to it, and I'll put a picture of the final product, the final thing, when I post this online. Thank you very much for watching. If there's anything that you need, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. If you need supplies, you can go to Stamp with Deb and click on Shop, and that will take you to my online store. I do have a host code each month, and I appreciate you using the host code unless your order's over 150. If you need a catalog, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. I would love to send you a catalog. Thank you so much for joining me today. Bye-bye.